and then you know 3D dimension of the spot.
There are structured light systems that I learned about in Dr. Alano's class. I can't remember any right now. If you
Yeah, so there are systems called structured light where they project a known sort of pattern. Often what they'll do is either a grid or like bands of dark and light, because you got sort of a vertical edge. You can triangulate an entire line, and a horizontal edge you can sort of triangulate to the point in the middle. But if you do kind of a series of dark and light, you can end up getting more than 1 point per image that you project. And some of these systems use patterns that sum to an even intensity. So like you project dark on this side, light on this side, and then later you project things that are light there and dark here, so that if you flip through the light really quickly, it actually ends up being an even illumination to your eye. But you get sort of 3D triangulation from seeing those points.
So
when
much
they
fun.
slightly
This is
differently
awesome.
through the camera.
Cool.
Yeah, can you demonstrate the
Charles,
drawing?
one thing about the structured light systems that I wanted to ask about, many of those can get subpixel accuracy because they use like a gradient or a sine wave or something, and so they can kind of interpolate to a subpixel level in between, for their locations rather than being limited to pixel level.
That's a good point. Right now, I'm not looking at that at all, and I could. And right now, actually, the limiting factor for me, the jitter, is really caused by noise, and that's where a lot of the inaccuracy is caused. So if I had more infrared light and I could decrease the gain and I could increase the shutter speed,
Where's the one that changed the color of the background?
I could improve to the point that I could start making use of the
that
subpixel
one?
accuracy, like looking at a whole fiducial, and then say using a distribution to try to figure out where the actual center of it is.
I think you could also make your calibration a lot faster if you did something like the structured light people do, where you do a pattern that where you're actually getting multiple points per coded
I
points
really
per,
could.
Um,
It was easier for me. It was a matter of I have 20 minutes. I can let it go do
I
its
think it's
thing.
getting
Right.
confused
So-
with all those things on there.
Yeah, it must.
No, it shouldn't have a problem with that. I still have as many as I
doing
want.
detection only based
This
on
one.
the
Oh, there we
size.
go. Now it's got it.
Yeah.
How do you change the color again of the background?
Oh, it's
T1.
Okay, that's not working. Where's the dot?
I was looking for it.
Someone has stolen the dot.
Where's my dot?
Draw a new dot. You got a little square paper right there.
Just try this.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is amazing.
That's an infrared. That was one of the infrared
Okay.
tests, but I could switch it over to infrared mode if you'd like. But it's
Infrared
actually
didn't
more
work.
visible to visible light than it is to infrared. So I was like,
At least this way.
Yeah.
I need to go to class. I could leave
Here's
it
the
here
dot.
to
I'm
show
okay
some
with
more
showing
things.
people.
And we go like that.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
can see it distorted.
Yeah, that's pretty
cool. Okay.
And I have
They
classes
said
for
that
it.
it was only based on
Yeah.
the size of the dot.
Hold it over
Spend
this one.
half hour
You
in
could make it much better by,
Oh, look at that.
by focusing on other aspects as
So
well.
how's life, Mark? You go finish?
So, do we
That's so cool.
No, I'm going.
Wait, did I pass? Oh, okay.
No.
Can you demo the PDF
Yes.
thing real quick?
It is a great demo, but they'll just keep you here forever.
Yeah.
You see, Charles, they saw the wonderful demo, and now they know they have
Excuse
to
me.
not pass you to keep it.
Right.
Yeah, you shouldn't have given him the demo.
Showing the
until,
infrared stuff? Oh, hey, look there. I'm showing the keyboard again.
He does like
They're
this.
not keyboard.
I mean, this is his lab. So
Over here.
Whoa, she's into whatever.
wearable computing and yeah.
Is there one where you can set the background color to black?
No.
Really? Okay.
No, it's smarter than
Not currently.
Not currently.
You
Just
can
wondering.
press delete a few times on the keyboard and then type in something to search for. Backspace, rather.
backspace.
Was there like a reason why you made
How
it?
about
Geometry?
Augmented reality.
No. Delete. You can go far enough.
Oh yeah, it's hiding behind this
There we go.
page somewhere. I think.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
So what are you searching for?
geometry?
Geometry?
Alright.
And so now it's searching for all the cases where geometry is.
How do they detect the characters though?
It was loaded into the system beforehand.
The system knows that this particular PDF is printed on these pages.
Right. Actually,
There
the
you
funny
go.
thing about that is the location of the letters with the way that I converted it and got the locations is less accurate than the system is.
Try
So-
searching for figure.
Figure? How, figure.
So it's
That's pretty cool.
it's actually searches from the PDF.
Yeah,
source.
it searches from the electronic text that we
So
have
do you have
nodes
the-
on these pages.
So
Do you have
can
these
make it narrower,
PDFs
right?
on your computer?
Yes.
And so the dots correspond with the PDF that you
Yes.
have. Okay.
What I did is I just programmed page 4 of this corresponds to fiducial ID number and then whatever ID number it is.
I see.
You can't obstruct
And
the
that in people's
fiducials.
eyes.
I see.
That thing is a monster.
As you can see, we really should have the fiducial error correction because by like your hand being there, it's
Mhm.
potentially introducing error.
Gotcha.
And this is without any error correction whatsoever now.
Oh, like, it's not going to do it at 200 frames per second.
That is so cool. I like how it fades.
Around the edges.
Yeah, like when it's not being
actually,
interacted.
There was okay for right now.
Can you
Type,
predict the stock
type
market?
in runtime real quick. Run, time, all one word.
Can you predict the
actually-
stock market?
No, type.
No.
No, type in lengthened.
Lengthen?
Yeah.
Does it know my future?
ENED. And GT. No, back.
Yeah.
TH. Okay, so right now. No, back. Okay, so
lengthen.
stop for right now.
Okay.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to load this so that this is on the bottom. I guess that's page 6. It's roughly like this. And if you had a stack of many PDFs on your desk, and say it starts with this one on top. Now, give it a minute to let it calm down, and it'll get dim. Now, press delete once. It knows that it's in the stack, so I can go dig around in the stack until I finally find the page that it's on.
Wow. Mm-hmm.
Jimmy Chung's work was similar to kind of this.
I definitely had a lot of inspiration
Yeah.
from it.
Or how do you
I gotta watch out for
light
this.
there?
Say it again?
There we go.
How do you project light there? Do you have some hardware language that you use?
What do you mean?
So probably get that you could easily do some detection and how do you control the hardware?
Oh,
Light projection.
OpenGL. Because I'm
He's
using
just drawing
OpenGL, I'm just drawing.
polygons.
This is just simply a projector.
But yeah, OpenGL you can do that, but
it's just my own normal desktop.
oh, it's a desktop.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, you can see everything that's going on in here mirrored on the
Is-
desktop.
Is there anything else that you want to show?
No, nothing really's coming to mind.
Okay.